Plant FAQs. Anthurium radicans x Luxurians. Anthurium radicans x Luxurians, your guide to this stunning hybrid. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Furbu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Anthurium radicans x Luxurians, a captivating hybrid that's quickly becoming a collector's favorite. This beaut combines the best of both worlds, the cascading elegance of the Anthurium radicans and the bold foliage of the Anthurium luxurians. If you're curious about bringing this unique plant into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Anthurium radicans x Luxurians, from its stunning features to its surprisingly easy care routine. See more 1327 species and genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Anthurium radicans x Luxurians special? This hybrid boasts a stunning combination of traits inherited from its parents. Here's what makes it stand out. Show-stopping foliage. The heart-shaped leaves, reminiscent of the radicans' parent, have a mesmerizing bullate texture. Think a beautiful, bumpy surface that adds depth and intrigue. The leaves emerge in a captivating pink or bronze hue, maturing to a deep, lush green. Thriving indoors. Unlike some Anthuriums, this hybrid thrives under typical indoor conditions. It tolerates moderate humidity and indirect sunlight, making it perfect for most homes. Fast growth. Compared to other Anthuriums, the Radicans x Luxurians is a bit of a speedster. You'll witness new growth relatively quickly, adding to the satisfaction of caring for this plant. How does it compare to the Anthurium radicans? The Anthurium radicans, a popular choice for its cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves, is one of the parents of this hybrid. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Leaf texture. The radicans has smooth, flat leaves, while the Radicans x Luxurians boast the captivating bullate texture. Growth habit. The Radicans is known for its cascading vines, while the Radicans x Luxurians can be trained to climb or cascade. Rarity. The Radicans is a more readily available plant compared to the Radicans x Luxurians, which is still considered a relatively new hybrid. How does it compare to the Anthurium luxurians? The Anthurium luxurians, known for its large, oval leaves, is the other parent of this hybrid. Here's a quick comparison. Leaf shape. The Luxurians has wider, more oval leaves, while the Radicans x Luxurians inherits the heart-shaped form from the Radicans with a touch of the Luxurians' oval shape. Leaf size. The Luxurians typically has larger leaves compared to the Radicans x Luxurians. Growth rate. The Luxurians is generally a slower grower compared to the Radicans x Luxurians. Caring for your Anthurium radicans x Luxurians. It's easier than you think. The good news is, this hybrid is surprisingly low maintenance. Here's what you need to know. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a big no-no, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Moderate humidity is preferred, but this plant can adapt to average household humidity levels. Consider a pebble tray or humidifier if your air is particularly dry. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for aroids or houseplants. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. Troubleshooting common Anthurium radicans x Luxurians issues. Even the most dedicated plant parents encounter challenges. Here's how to address some common issues. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or sunburn. Adjust your watering routine and check for light exposure. Stunted growth. Insufficient light or nutrient deficiency could be the culprit. Ensure proper lighting and consider fertilizing during the growing season. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Isolate the plant and treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. In conclusion, the Anthurium radicans x Luxurians, a beauty with benefits. The Anthurium radicans x Luxurians offers a captivating combination of stunning foliage, easy care requirements, and relatively fast growth. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or a curious beginner, this hybrid is sure to add a touch of lush elegance to your home.